खुदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं।
जब भी इंडस्ट्री लगाते हैं और जब जितने भी बड़ा इंडस्ट्री हम शुरू करते हैं उसका सेफ्टी हम जो पहले देखते हैं, वो सेफ्टी कहाँ से आता है? फायर प्रूफ और समथिंग लाइक एक्सीडेंट प्रूफ। वहाँ पे एक इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपनी जो बोलते हैं कि वी आर ऑल कम्प्लीटली फ्लेम प्रूफ कंपनी है, वो है पैटको फ्लेम प्रूफ इन प्रोडक्ट्स। एंड वो इतना बड़ा कंपनी का सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग इंचार्ज ऑल ओवर इंडिया इज जयेश Misri.
Yes, sir.
And he has come all the way from Gujarat. And let us talk to him. हम उनसे बात करेंगे उनके कंपनी की खासियत क्या है और कब से एक इंडस्ट्री एग्जिस्टेंस में है और पूरा उनका गारंटी से जो बोल रहे हैं उनके प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में हम लोग पूरा जानकारी लेंगे जयेश मिस्त्री से। चलो हाय सर, नमस्कार।
हेलो, नमस्कार सर।
सर आपके कंपनी के बारे में थोड़ा हम सब लोगों को जो व्यूअर्स चैनल्स में देख रहे हैं सब लोग इन्फॉर्म करिए सर।
सर बेसिकली वी आर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आवर जर्नी टू 2007। हम लोग 2007 से फ्लेम प्रूफ का वेदर प्रूफ इंडस्ट्रीज में काम चालू किया है। स्टार्टिंग से हम लोग बहुत छोटे लेवल से स्टार्ट किया था, लेकिन अभी अपने पास पूरा कंप्लीट फ्लेम प्रूफ का रेंज रहेगा। सो वी आर मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ फ्लेम प्रूफ इक्विपमेंट, lighting fitting, switch gear, junction boxes, LED lights, even customer tailor-made enclosures. We have manufactured crane enclosures, instrument enclosures, temperature indicator, sensors, heads वगैरह सब हम लोग बनाते हैं। और हमारा कंपनी बेस्ड है गुजरात और मुंबई में। हमारा 3 यूनिट गुजरात में है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और गोरेगांव मुंबई में हमारा बेस्ड ऑफिस है, मेन ऑफिस।
एज ए मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स हेड आपको क्या क्या लोग इंडस्ट्री से आपको फीडबैक आते रहते हैं, क्या क्या पूछते रहते हैं और क्या इसे अपने अपने प्रोडक्ट्स में अपग्रेडेशन लेके आ रहे हैं?
सो जैसे कि आपने पूछा कि अपग्रेडेशन में एज पर मार्केटिंग हम लोग जैसे भी कस्टमर का रिक्वायरमेंट है तो वी कैन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एट दैट ऑन कस्टमर रिक्वायरमेंट्स, वी कैन मॉडिफाई इट, वी कैन updated the customer requirements, we can manufacture as per their requirements, so we can fulfill their requirements and needful the customers. So basically we are manufacturers customer requirements and fulfill their demands.
So you customize and give according to the needs of the customer requirements. क्या बात है यार। So one more thing मिस्टर जी, see आपकी कंपनी जो ये फ्लेम प्रूफ प्रोडक्ट्स जो बना रही है इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए, ये कौन सी इंडस्ट्रीज के लिए स्पेसिफिकली है? एक बार थोड़ा एलाबोरेट में बोल दीजिए।
सो हमारा फ्लेम प्रूफ कंपनी जो एरिया में रहेगा वो केमिकल है, फार्मास्यूटिकल जोन रहेगा, ऑयल एंड गैस सेक्टर रहेगा, इवन जो केमिकल फैक्ट्रीज और फार्मास्यूटिकल फैक्ट्रीज है, ऑयल ऑफशोर कंपनीज है, जो उसमें हम इक्विपमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरर जो रहेगा, क्रेन इक्विपमेंट्स रहेंगे, इवन सेंसर बेस्ड कंपनीज रहेंगे, उसमें सब लोग जहाँ भी केमिकल फार्मास्यूटिकल इक्विपमेंट्स रहेंगे वो हम उनको सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं और उनको इक्विपमेंट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं सर।
वेरी गुड। सो आप जो कंपनीज के लिस्ट बोला है उनके लिए आपको फ्लेम प्रूफ प्रोडक्ट्स है तो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट चॉइस वुड बी पैटको ही से, राइट, फैंटास्टिक। सर जी सी अगर मैं बोलूँगा 99% गारंटी देंगे लोग प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में, बोले तो सही रहेगा? 99% बोलेगा?
99 we can give you 100% clarity about flame proof equipment, so we can give you a CMR certificate for that. So it will be regulated by the it will be certified by CMRI Dhanbad sir. We can give you all of product range of product certificate for that. We can give you a CMRI certificate for all our product ranges sir.
Very good gentleman. You are such a young boy and how आप इतने छोटे हो के भी इतना बड़ी इंडस्ट्री को कैसे संभाल रहे हो और कैसे दिल अपने आप को दिल कैसे खुश हो रहा है?
Actually sir, there is a basic strength of our bosses, our staff, product staff, management, and we can give all our coordinates well and give a complete responsibility for that. So we can manage the all entire teams and we can come together and fulfill the customer requirements.
As a team work you say.
Yes, sir.
कंग्रेचुलेशन जेंटलमैन. सो पहले अभी जो भी इन सब लोग ये वीडियोस देख रहे थे, सुन रहे थे, उनके दिल में अभी ये इच्छा बढ़ गया होगा एक एक प्रोडक्ट का डिटेल टूरिंग एक्सप्लोरेशन करेंगे बोल के.
Sure, definitely.
Shall we have an exploration of all the products?
Sure, definitely, sir.
चलो Mr. is going to show us the each and every minute details of its products of the company. Okay, चलो let's have it. Tour of it.
I am Jay Mistry from Marketing Head at Petco Flameproof Product. Our main office is Mumbai, and we are manufacturer of flameproof cum weatherproof electrical equipment, lighting fitting, LED lighting fitting, instrument enclosure and cable glands tested by CMRI Dhanbad. This is our product range of FLP control station, switchgear, LED lighting fitting, junction boxes, control panels, customized enclosures, instrument enclosures, customized instrument enclosure as per customer need. We can give you a thermocouple lighting switchgear for clean room areas, switch gears, industrial fans like exhaust fan, pedestal fan, wall mount fans, and even cable glands also. Okay, this is the range of our FLP switch gear range, like a push button station, reverse forward push button station, push button with indicators, plug socket, rotary switches, emergency stop and start. Okay, some customer need small junction boxes like as per their requirement for spaces. This is a direct entry of push button station, rotary switches, direct plug socket, emergency stop and start stop. This is the hooter, and we can give you a manual call pad and MCPs are there. Okay, this is the complete range of FLP glands certified by CMRI Dhanbad and 2A, 2B, 2C certified. Okay, this is a range of cable glands, stoppers and reducers are there. Okay. Now let's see the junction boxes range of our products. This is a 75 mm junction box, 100 mm junction box, 100 mm junction box, 150 mm enclosures junction box, 220 by 220 mm junction box, 250 by 250 and 350 by 350 mm junction box. We can manufacture as per their customer requirements, so they fulfill their needs as per customer requirements. This is a range of dual starters, instrument enclosures. This is a 96 by 96 controller indicators requirements as per customer need. This is a 74 by 74 instrument box, RPM indicators, controller, temperature indicators. This is a specialized enclosure for temperature indicators, small enclosure for temperature indicator, RPM indicator, data loggers. This is the 150 enclosures for that. So we can manufacture as per customer needs. Okay. Let's see here some for customized enclosure. This is an enclosure of 350 by 350. It is manufactured as per customer need. This is it is a vastly mainly used for temperature instrument panels builders, panel builders वगैरह सब ये लोग यूज़ करते हैं सर. ये हम लोग कस्टमाइज एंक्लोजर्स बनाते हैं एज पर कस्टमर नीड. दिस इज अ स्पेशलाइज्ड एंक्लोजर फॉर विंग स्केल्स एंड वी कैन मैन्युफैक्चर एज पर देयर रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑल्सो. This is a enclosure for RPM indicators, RPM manufacture RPM indicators, customized enclosure. This is a head for specialized for RTD heads. We can give you a full certificate for that, sir. Now we show the range of FLP clean room switch gear and lighting fitting. This is the flameproof clean room areas switch gear. This is the flameproof clean room lights. And this is a flameproof also clean room light bulkhead fitting. It is a clean room 2x1 bottom openable clean room fitting. It is a clean room rotary switch, plug socket and push button station, which is widely used at pharmaceutical API plants. Okay, वो stop कर दीजिए ना. अभी lights पे आप. Now we can go for the lights. This is a tubelight fixers. Which it will be available in 4 feet, 2 feet. It will be used at we can give you LED fittings. Okay, this is the hand lamp fixers. This is the well glass fixer. We can use you can use an LED and SMD fixers. Okay, this is also well glass fixer which is used as dome glass. Okay, this is also already shown in the videos. It is a clean room purpose area bulkhead fixers. It is a clean room lights. This is the one of the vessel lamp which is used as the reactor vessel light. Okay, and this is our most competitive products and running vast product. It is a flameproof sunflower light fitting, which we can give you a 30 watt, 60 watt and 45 watts. We can give we have a complete range of 20 up to 20 watt to 60 watts, sir. At the end of the video, you can see our product ranges are the flameproof, weatherproof, lighting fitting. All entire product range are there. This is a clean room fixers. clean room switch gear, lighting fitting, LED lights are there. Thermocouple sets and other miscellaneous product. We can give you a thermocouple head, limit switches, exhaust fan, pedestal fan, wall mount fan, FLP hooters, MCPs, manual call points are there. We can give you a cable glands as the most competitive rates. These are the switch gear range of direct entry, indirect entry, push button station, reverse forward push button station, switch socket, rotary switches, direct entry, push button station, rotary switches are there. Now let's see our entire range of junction boxes. This is a 250, 350, 350 junction box, 150 junction box, 75 mm से लेके 100 mm junction box. We can give you 75 up to 350 mm junction box, and more bigger sizes are there in ready to launch. This is a complete range of instrument enclosures. These are temperature indicator. It is a vast range used products in the chemical pharmaceutical zones. It is a RPM enclosure, temperature indicator, controller, RPM enclosures, even temperature digital indicators for smaller one. This is a customized instrument enclosure which is used as a VR manufacturer as the tailor-made requirement that customer give us a requirement. They fulfill we can fulfill their needs in control panels. These are you can see there as per we can give you a customer more requirement as per customer requirement. Now we have shown some industries that we have served. It is a petrochemical industries, API units, pharmaceutical zones, oil and gas company, offshore power plants, chemical units, chemical zones that we have served the entire FLP products. Now thank you for watching us. Thank you very much. In the end of the video, if you have any requirement about flame-proof products and flame-proof equipments like switchgear, junction boxes, control panels, you can contact us on our website is www.petcoflameproof.com, and you can contact me on I am Jay Mistry, for sales marketing head at India region. You can contact me on this my mobile number on 79841773336. In the end of the video, we can give you a best competitive rates and best services for that. So you can contact us and we can give you a best rates and delivery schedules. Okay. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Bye.